After this is done and figured out, I'm never doing this ever again because this is too... Shopaholic needs to be stopaholic. Oh, hello. Hey guys. Ooh. Hey guys.
So what are we doing today? Okay, we got a bunch of videos, we got a film. Yay!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a fashion freak, the Goyard geek, ALIGRE lover, a shopaholic chic shithead, and today we're going to be talking really quickly about this rose gold one that I just unboxed for you guys, and my thoughts and what happened. Follow up from the video when I opened it and I realized it was a little not perfect. Okay, that sounds fun. Okay, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, before we get into the video, if anyone has a Saigon, any Saigon besides the like supple one, like this, if you guys have Saigons and have used them a lot for a while, let me know in the comments below if the wear on this one is consistent with wear in general. Love to hear your thoughts. My Nano, I barely use and has no wear, so I don't really know. And my supple, I've also barely used. I used it twice in France to try to get a bag. I tried to get it in a man's bag. And then now it just sits in the closet. So my Nanos I've used a couple of times, but it's still in perfect conditions. I'm so babying with that bag. My friend's wedding, one other event, and that's about it. Those are like special bags for special events. This is also a special bag for a special event. So we're gonna talk about it real quick. So if you watch my other video, I unboxed this. I got this for my birthday. I was really excited because it's the rose gold Nano. It's the rose gold Saigon, and I've always wanted this bag. And I had the opportunity to get it, and I didn't get it, and I was really upset. And it's so pretty. It's so pretty, but I paid a lot for it. And I was told it was brand new and had only been used twice. And while I'm not gonna say that's not true or not, because I spoke with the lady. So this is a follow-up of what happened basically. So I bought this. If you watch the unboxing video, see I bought it, unboxed it right as I got it, and I found some wear on it, okay? So not the end of the world, it is a used bag, but I was, you know, when we talked, it was supposed to be like new, brand new. The videos and photos I got were like new, brand new. If you look here, you know, the sticker, the plastic is still on the feet. I don't know if you can see that. The corners are really good, but they do have wear. They have some wear. It's like smudgy wear. I don't know. So I reached out to the lady. I told her. It kind of got a little weird because she thought I was basically trying to scam her. When I'm like, hey lady, she's a really nice lady. But like, I was like, excuse me, I'm not scamming you. I literally just unboxed this. I filmed the whole thing on, you know, on my channel, and I'm just like showing you what I got. And she was like, that's not the bag I sent you. And I was like, yes, it is, you know? And she was like, that's not my bag. I'm happy to take a return if you send me the original bag. And I was like, this is the original bag. This is the one I got. And she thought I was trying to scam her and send her a fake back. And she was like, I will not, you know, give you your money back until you send me the original bag and I get it authenticated at Goyard. And I was like, that's fine. I understand that, but like, I'm not sending you a fake, you know? How would I make a fake? Like, how would I make this fake in like 2 days to be exactly the same with the exact same paint? And this, she's like, there's sites, it's very easy. I don't know the sites. And then anyway, we eventually spoke on the phone and we are trying to figure it out. Like for me to send it and then her to authenticate it at her Goyard, or I might actually go there, fly there and go do it and meet her and bring it with me and then authenticate it with her. So it's just fair for both of us, which makes sense. It just feels like, that's such a trip just for that. And I don't know, I really do like this bag, but I wanted to see if she would give me a discount. She's not gonna do that. And I wanted to see if she would maybe pay for the repairs. She's not gonna do that either. I honestly think that she didn't know that this had problems. I mean, part of me is like, okay, you didn't know. She said she wore it twice and that's it. And then it's been sitting in the box. I was like, okay, the wear on this bag is not consistent with being worn twice unless you were really, really rough with it, or it sat in the bag, it sat in the box and in a position that caused it to get more wear. Because look, so like as I mentioned, I don't want to do it too much, but like see there's a tear right there on this side, and then there's the same tear, same direction on this side, right? So first of all, if you guys have this bag and have used it a lot, is that consistent with this bag? Like, does it tear like that? And does it have this like white meshy cloth inside? I've never had a tear on any of my Goyard bags yet. This is the first one. And again, like I mentioned before, like the first 5 Goyard bags I tried buying, the first time I buy Goyard bags, and I'm doing a video on that too, but resale, those all ended up being fake and I got to return them. This is my, you know, this is my 6th attempt. This is my 7th attempt, I think. This one, I actually am gonna do another video on this too because I have a little confusion about this, but I think, I'm pretty sure it is, but anyway, and then this is my 7th one. So basically going forward, I'm not, after this is done and figured out, I'm never doing this ever again because this is too stressful. Like, I think I'll try to just stick to the real, or not even Fashion File. I hear the Fashion File has some drama too and some fakes because they have so many bags, and not enough people to authenticate them properly, timely. Like, it's just, things get lost and undervaluated or something like that. Anyway, so that where there's, you know, there's marks right here and here, like indents from where the handles have been kind of sitting with little pressure, which probably is also if it's been sitting in the box in the same position. So I'm not saying she's wrong or she's lying or anything, but then there's also like 3 scratches right here, 1, 2, and a little thing, which it's like so hard to see in the light. Anyway, if you guys have this bag and that kind of wear happens, let me know, because I don't have this bag. Also, I put the felt here. It didn't come with the felt, which is a little annoying because then it's got these indents up top here, here, and here from these 3 contact points, which does happen, you know, on the inside of leather bags when they have that hardware. Not the end of the world. Inside is actually pretty good, except for a little scuff right there, but that's neither here nor there. And then the corners, like they have wear. Like it's not like, I don't know, they just have wear. So I don't know. If you guys have this bag, let me know what you think. I'm just a little, I don't know what to do because I do really love it. Also, maybe, I mean, I don't know, like I'll get this repaired, but I don't even know how much it's gonna be and how long that's gonna take, you know? So if you have any good repair places, I don't wanna give it to Goyard because, I mean, I could give it to Goyard, but now I have a weird feeling about them. So I don't know if you guys have any repair places and what you think, but I'll just figure it out. Anyway, so I might go and return this in a month or less than a month. We're trying to figure out when. It's so pretty though. I really, really do like it. I don't know. Anyway, I just don't know how 2 days of wear could do that. Also, the strap on these 2 holes is tearing where the holes were, which means it's been plugged into these holes for a very long time and either stressed or it's just been plugged into these holes for a very long time, right? But if it's sitting in the box, why would there, it's the tears from tension, right? From like this kind of tension. Here, I'll show you. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like got some tear. Anyway, that's where we're at. I would love to know your thoughts, you guys. If anyone has dealt with resale, especially when you've dealt with resale and it's direct and it's not through a website where you have that security. It was through PayPal, so I think I do. And if anyone knows anything about PayPal and how I do this, like I think I'm supposed to report it because I want it to be transaction, you know, and say I didn't get the bag I thought I would. So that when I send it back through PayPal, it'll be like it'll be documented or whatever like that. Because if I go there and meet her and do it, that's just in person. And like, if she goes to Goyard, if she goes without me, there's no guarantee that like she won't lie to me. I don't think she's scamming. She seems like a really nice lady, but like I'm very trusting and I don't know. I mean, I just literally just got scammed about that Birkin thing. So now I'm like, I gotta stop. After this, I'm not buying anymore for like forever. Okay, you guys, I can't keep doing this. Shopaholic needs to be stopaholic. I need to be a stopaholic for a little bit. Stop a shopaholic. Also maybe go to a shopaholic meeting. I actually maybe am very much considering that. So if you guys know anything, let me know because I think I do need help with that. Anyway, okay, all right, that's enough of this video. I'll let you know the outcome, what happens with this puppy when I know. But for now, she's just gonna sit right there looking beautiful. I mean, I really do like her. If I got a discount, it'd be great. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Okay, I'm just gonna go right into the next video after this. So see you in a sec.